Saved it.
What the fuck? What in the world?
Saved it.
What?
Jesus.
What?
Not only that. Oh, you fucking idiot! You fucking fuck! You fucking idiot! Some fucking retard just hit my fucking car. Fuck!
Harsh event detected.
Holy shit! You fucking moron!
ਇਹ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੇ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਪਾਇਆ ਪਟਾਕੇ ਚਲਾਉਣੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੇ ਮੰਦਿਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਪਾਇਆ
So sad.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! My dude! Oh, bro! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Fuck. Fuck! 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 Holy shit!
Cooling trend continues today with stronger wind across the mountains and deserts. Highs this afternoon will range in 60s from the coast inland to the valleys. West warming trend heading into the weekend. We will feel temperatures in the 80s and even nearing it.
That's just not good.
That's not safe.
That's not safe.
That truck is well overloaded,
all.
and that tire is half flat.
And that, oh dude, the front axle's bent.
Yep, he got hit.
With asset protection officers at the Walmart just 3 days after the confession, and saw it all on surveillance footage. Scott had purchased nearly $500 worth of items, including food, several cartons of cigarettes, and balloons.
Fucking hell!
Vacuum sealed bags. Chef Michelle Dahl showed us how it's done.
In the water scarcity bag, there's not going to be water in it from the
God damn!
Ow! It gets so
Holy
hot for such a long
That's what I'm saying. He was on his ass for no.
Run away, always. Motherfucker.
Die if a sibling did that to me.
I would just sibling energy. I love it.
Easy! Fuck! What are you fucking doing? God, I'm so mad at people not paying the fuck attention!
Christ.
The fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing? God, you fucker! Jesus Christ. Ugh.
Do you want to go to today's conference? I can have the fellow come in and finish. My back was beginning to ache. I have not taken a different dose of medication. This case should be quick, though. I was almost there. I said, I want to finish the case. The attending scrubbed in, and together we completed the bony removal.
Fuck you, you shithead! You are an asshole.
Know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it and we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the.
Nashville Flash. Luke Combs, he came into the Stormy Warren show to make the huge announcement that he added a second night to the Nashville nights of his tour next weekend. Tickets went on sale Friday.
What? Insane. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. That guy is great.
He went after me though, which is kind of funny.
Fucking Christ! Why? Oh! Why?
That's annoying as fuck.